Oh man. Huh. Do some weird stuff. She tries to go under all the crevices, like this. She was trying to get at it, go under it for like 15 minutes straight, just going left and right, back and forth. She couldn't figure it out. She has dust on her head. Dust on your head. Cuckoo bird. Huh. Huh. Whoa! Where'd she go? Whoa! Ow! Holy mackerel, I don't know what that was all about. What are you doing? What are you doing? Say hi to the camera. Hello. Hello. Hey you. Hello. Hey. Quiet you. And the little squiggles. Little squiggles. Oh, he's so cute. Cute and tiny. Cute and tiny little squiggles. Are you mimicking me, Squiggles? Huh? Squiggles, squiggs. He's so tiny. Tiny. Alright. Peace.